Hi, I'm Rachel Pollentan.
And I'm Jenny Serta, and we're from Perfectly Posh.
We're excited to do some crafting with you today, so let's get started.
All right, we're ready to get started. Just find your longest tulle ribbon that's in the bag and put your egg carton with your 4 bath bombs in there and tie a single overhand knot over the top of it. All right, and then we're going to start digging into our bag and picking out some ribbon to put in. 3 ribbons together at one time. Pick a variety, and I always try to pick one little piece of tulle because it gives us just a nice amount of body. Just lay it on top of there and do one more single overhand knot. All right, then go ahead and grab 3 more ribbons, a little bit of tulle, a little variety in there. And I'm trying to do crisscross just so we have more of a round bulb kind of effect when we're done. Single overhand knot over those as well. And the cool thing is you really cannot mess this up. If it flips over, just fix it real fast. If your ribbon is not even, you can slide it through there. This is really pretty error proof. All right, 3 more ribbons. Throw those on there. Another overhand knot. Again, just straightening those out a little bit. All right, last set of ribbon. Okay, throw in a little sparkle in the top there. And then I'll do one last knot. And just kind of straighten out. Kind of spread your tulle out a little bit to give it more body. Let's get that pink tulle fluffed up under there. All right. Even your ribbons out. Tug them around a little bit if you want them to stick out on the other end. Here's one that needs to move through a little bit. Too much? All right, there you go. How cute is that? And then you can just take scissors, and if you want it to be shaped a little tiny bit different, snip, 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 and you're done. I hope you had as much fun with that project as we did.
If you'd like to see more of our pampering products or learn more about how to start your own pampering business, follow the links below.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye.